the Baldwin Hill Railroad Company, owned by Fred Thies. And Fred has started building about 10 years ago
10 years.
this model railroad, and it is 16 feet by about 40 feet, two level. It's DC, and he wants to convert it to DCC.
I route all my power through the frogs. All my switches are mostly Shinohara. Both I've got code 83 and code 70, and but they're all live frogs, and I feed like this yard that we're looking at now. My feeder's down there, and all the power is routed through the turnouts using tortoise switch machines, and I